Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a 4K video quality on Capcut PC. For that, you have to follow the instructions. First of all, drag the main video to the editing timeline. After that, go to the effects option. Then you have to find the option lens. Under the lens option, you will be able to find the option blur. Here it is. Drag it to the timeline, adjust it. After that, you have to find the option comic. Here it is. Then find the effect B and W stage, drag it to the timeline as well, adjust the duration. Then you have to export it. After that, you have to delete B and W sketch. Then you have to find for neon effect from the comic option, drag it to the timeline, again export it. Then import that two videos you have exported. Delete all these effects, then drag the first video to the timeline like this, and now the second video above on these two. Now click on the first video. From these options, you have to go to the blend option, click on the normal, and then you have to select this color burn. Now you have to play with this opacity, make it 35, then click on the second clip, then again click on the normal and select the color dodge option and make it 65. Now go to the adjustment, drag the custom adjustment to the timeline like this, adjust it. Then from these options, you have to go to the sharpen option, make it 25 and again go above and try to find brightness, then increase it a little bit as well as the contrast and highlight. So that's how you can convert 4K quality on CapCut. Now you can easily export it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.